Hi everyone. This is a short topic of on accountants like us when they tell you that we do not have we do not have time to lodge your tax return. Now a lot of accountants will tell you your return is very complex. It is very time consuming. It is not a simple return. Maybe you have got capital gains, you have got dividends, you have got business income, you got a lot of things, you got few rental properties. It's very complicated, so we need time. We do not have time right now to lodge your tax return. How you should tackle that situation? It is very simple. The first thing is to check what is your last date of lodgement. Normally it is 15th of May, not for all accountants. For us it is 15th of May, but you should always check. You should always shoot an email. This is my tax file number. Can you please advise what is my last date of lodgement of my tax return? Okay, this is the first thing you should do always. And the second thing is, if you can, just prepare a summary of all the transactions. Maybe you have got rental income, or if you have got a business income. So in case you have a rental income, just email us, I have got rental income. Can you send me a rental income worksheet? If you have got business income, send us an email. I have got a business income. Can you send me a business income worksheet? If you got a very big list of work expenses, just send us an email. I have got few work related expenses. Can you send me a worksheet for my work related expenses for the job? In that worksheet you can summarize it. Let us say it's a business worksheet, so you can summarize it: your sales, your rent, how much you paid for materials, how much you paid for fuel, how much you paid for insurance. All those expenses can be summarized, which you can easily do it from your Excel or from your bank statements or from your software. If you do it that way, if you have a complicated return and if you prepare a summary, that will be much easier work for us or for any other accountant, and he can lodge your return very quickly because you have done the hard work. If we always encourage our clients to do the hard work. Why? Because number one, you have all the figures, you know everything, you know how much insurance was paid, you know how much is the council rate for your property. We do not know, so we will rely on the paperwork. We might miss something, but you will not, because you have all the figures in your mind. How much is your income, how much is your sales, like how much is your insurance. You have all the figures in mind. So we always recommend our clients to prepare a summary in the worksheet and then send it to us along with the documents. We will ask you for further documents, but that is the main hard job, to prepare a summary. Okay, in case you want any summary of any worksheet, rental income, business income, work related expenses, just give us a call or register online or email us that I have this return, can you send me a summary, can you send me a worksheet. We will send you, and then you can fill it and send it back to us. That will quicken your work, and we can lodge in time. We can lodge as soon as we can. We can check, we will check it, we will ask from you some documents for verification, and then we will lodge it. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.